In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make good presentation in PowerPoint 2025. Step by step. Start by opening your web browser and searching for PowerPoint. Open the official Microsoft page and sign in with your account so your work is saved securely and stays synced across devices. From the home page, choose Create Blank Presentation to start fresh. You'll land in the editing view with your first slide and the toolbar at the top. Set your foundation by customizing the background. Right-click the slide background, move to background, then open the arrow next to solid fill. Pick a color that suits your theme. Softer neutrals or deep, high-contrast colors often keep text legible. As soon as you choose it, the slide background updates. Next, add a visual. Go to Insert, click Pictures, then choose this device. Select an image from your computer and open it. Resize by dragging the corner handles so the picture keeps its proportions and doesn't look stretched. Use the on-screen alignment guides to center or align your image neatly. If something doesn't look right, use Undo to step back. On the right side, you may see design suggestions that propose polished layouts based on your content. Scroll through to Preview Options and click the one you like to apply it instantly. This is an easy way to achieve clean spacing, balanced typography, and smart placement without manual tweaking. Now add your title, click the title placeholder, type your headline, then select the text. Choose a font style that matches your topic. Stick to one or two fonts for a cohesive look. Adjust the font size from the drop-down so it's readable from a distance. To change color, open the font color menu and pick a tone that clearly contrasts with the background. Aim for strong readability over decoration. When you're ready to continue, go to Insert and click New Slide to create your second page. Here you can build out your content. From Insert, you can add text box for body text, table for data, pictures or stock images for ready-to-use visuals, Cameo for your camera feed, video and audio for media, shapes and icons for simple graphics, smart art for processes, and chart for numbers that deserve emphasis. Just click the item you want, place it on the slide, and format it so it supports your message. To tie everything together, open the Transitions tab and select a transition you prefer. Subtle options often feel most professional and keep the focus on your content rather than effects. And that's it. You've set a clean background, added images, styled your title, created additional slides, inserted rich elements, and applied transitions for a polished, modern PowerPoint.